The Maharishi Markandeshwar University Trust, a brainchild of Shri Tarsen Garg, was established with a view to educate by focusing on academic institutions that could transform people into nationally productive human resource. One of India's most reputed educational groups, the Group of institutions, has the distinctive mission to grow, transform and educate. The Engineering College has been ranked number 1 amongst the top engineering colleges in Haryana and among the top 15 in India. The courses offered are Computer Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Information Technology, Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, Civil Engineering and Computer Science and Mechatronics Engineering. The curriculum is designed with industry feedback and a lot of focus is laid on practical applications. The programs offered by the College of Computer Technology and Business Management are also very popular with the students and recruiters alike. With highly experienced faculty and modern lab facilities, the institute churns out some of the best techies in the country. The Institute of Medical Sciences and Research is a reputed institution recognized by the Medical Council of India. The college has state-of-the-art labs spanning across departments such as Histology Lab, Morphology Lab, Anthropology Lab, Endocrine Lab, Genetic Lab and Temporal Bone Dissection Lab. The institute is associated with a 780-bed fully equipped multi-speciality hospital. The hospital is equipped with modern facilities like MRI, CT scan, color Doppler, ultrasound, blood bank and 24-hour emergency services supported by well-equipped biopathology and microbiology labs and modern centrally air-conditioned operating theatres. All of this is supported by sophisticated equipments like ventilators, monitors, incubators, infusion pumps and more.
I've been studying here for the past 8 years. It's been really fun to be here. Now I'm doing my post-graduation in gynae. I've learned a lot in this university. I think I'll be really able to help patients once I pass out. The campus is awesome. I think this college has the best infrastructure of the country and life has been really great over these past 8 years.
The Institute of Medical Sciences and Research is a socially committed institute and conducts regular free healthcare camps, public aware camps and posts medical students and faculty members at nearby semi-urban and urban extension in the region, making them socially aware doctors. The Institute of Dental Sciences and Research is a premier institution recognized by the Dental Council of India. Offering the maximum number of PG seats in North India, the college recently received a sanction of Rs 1.5 million from ICMR, supported by sophisticated technical gadgets like digital radiography, orthopantomography, a mobile dental van, dental laser and more. The institute offers specialized diagnostic procedures and surgeries. The College of Nursing is a premier institution and the first in the state of Haryana to offer a MSc Nursing program. The program focuses on development of critical thinking skills, competencies and standards required for practical professional nursing and midwifery. The program focuses on regular projects, extension programs and workshops on patient care, disease prevention, etc. Some of the other premier courses offered by the university are Biotechnology, Architecture, Applied Sciences, Humanities and Social Sciences education. The Department of Law at MMU offers hands-on experience to its students, while mock courtrooms and visits to district and high courts offer practical experience and spot studies of the legal process. Faculty with hands-on experience and visiting legal experts acquaint students with finer points of law. One of the top-rated colleges in Haryana and among the top 100 in the country, The Institute of Management got the AAA rating by the Business and Management Chronicle. With specializations in marketing, HR, finance, healthcare, hospitality, IT, business, retail and more, the curriculum is benchmarked by the best international B schools. The faculty is highly qualified with industry experience. With programs like Meet the CEO and Meet the Entrepreneur, industry visits and guest lectures by eminent business personalities, the program has an excellent industry institution interface. The program produces graduates ready to face the business world. One of the high points of MMU is the College of Pharmacy. Facilities for research like Animal House and Garden of Medicinal Plants among others are supported by modern labs for all departments ranging from pharmaceutical chemistry, pharmacognosy to microbiology and biochemistry. To guide the students is a highly qualified faculty involved in teaching, research and development of intellectual property. The College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology is the top-rated hotel management college in Haryana. The course offers in-depth training in areas of front office, housekeeping, culinary training, F&B service, accommodation management and more. With labs on front office, food production and food science, the complete infrastructure of a star hotel is provided for students to learn. A 3-star hotel on the Mulana campus is also on the final stages of completion. The university also offers a multidisciplinary campus with students from over 16 countries across the globe.
My name is Muslim Hassan Ali. I am from Iraq, from Babylon. I'm here doing a master degree in English, MAA in English, in Maulana Ambala University or Maharashi Markadanshwar University. This university actually it's far away from, it's in Haryana, and what I like in this university is far away from the city. That's why the atmosphere or all the features for study here just for the study. I mean, there are no noisy, the people are here so friendly and they are so cooperative. The faculty members of the university also, they have done a great job concerning how to put valuable information for the international students.
The faculty and the staffs are sensitized to the cultural differences. An international students hostel with a mess catering to the international palate. International Affairs Office and a friendly and safe campus are some of the reasons that draw more and more international students to Mulana.
Hi, my name is Sumaya and I come from Tanzania. I study in Dental College in Mulana and I'm doing dental hygienist, a diploma of dental hygienist. I've been here for 2 years already, and the most thing that I like about this place is that the place is so peaceful. There is no any distractions around, that it just leads you to study, just to concentrate on your studies. And also I like the people, they're so friendly, the teachers are so cooperative, they help us, they teach us well, even though we're foreigners, but we understand. And I learn a lot from here also about how to talk to people, how to be confident in talking, and I really like it.
The campus offers some of the sport's best facilities in the state with fully furnished, hygienic and modern hostel facilities. We at Maharishi Markandeshwar University cultivate industry-ready professionals and winners for tomorrow.